What would happen if the moon simply stopped? Instantly, no slowing down, no warning, yes, it's impossible. But let's see what would happen if it did. The moon orbits Earth at about 1 kilometer per second. If it suddenly lost all that speed, gravity would take over. The moon would start falling. Yes, falling toward Earth as the moon moves closer. Its tidal forces skyrocket, oceans follow it like a giant bulge, forming waves tens or even hundreds of meters tall. Spoiler: running to the nearest hill won't save you. Those growing tidal forces won't just move water, they'll stretch Earth's crust itself. Massive fractures will appear as the planet is pulled apart. The moon accelerates faster and faster at this rate. It would reach Earth in about 5 days. Every hour, the gravitational pull becomes more extreme. But the moon won't reach us in one piece. About 18,000 kilometers away, it crosses the Roche limit. Earth's gravity tears the moon apart. Now comes the lunar rain. Billions of tons of molten debris enter the atmosphere, heating it until the entire sky glows red. It's the slow-motion version of the apocalypse. One massive fragment still makes it through. Its energy equals trillions of megatons. Enough to melt Earth's crust completely. After the impact, Earth becomes a planet-wide ocean of magma. Oceans evaporate, the atmosphere changes. For a while, the planet becomes completely uninhabitable. So, if the moon suddenly stopped, it would fall toward Earth, dragging oceans, tearing the crust, breaking apart in the Roche limit, and finally delivering an impact that resets the entire planet. Fortunately, physics makes this absolutely impossible.